Madhubani painting. The word Madhubani means forest of honey. Madhubani painting has its origin in Mithila region of Bihar. That's why it is also known as Mithila art. The painting is one of the oldest and most famous Indian art forms, which is also practiced in Nepal. Traces of Madhubani art can also be noticed in the Ramayana, the Indian epic. It is believed that King Janak, ruler of Mithila kingdom in the 8th or 7th century BCE, had asked to develop these paintings in order to capture the moments of his daughter Sita's wedding to Prince Ram. Madhubani painting has remained confined to a compact geographical area, and the skills have been passed on through centuries. The content and the style have largely remained the same. Thus, Madhubani painting has received geographical indication status.